The minimum amount of time that we should all be spending outside per week is only 2 hours. But if you're anything like me, there's probably weeks you don't get close to that. You spend all your time sat at a desk looking at a screen, and it leaves you feeling rubbish. So this week, I'm going to be spending an hour in nature every day to see if it boosts my mood and leaves me feeling better. Today, we're going to be following a public footpath, which also involves going across a train track. The weather's actually been nice until this moment. It's just decided to disappear on us, but we shall see. We're going first time on this route. Don't know where it's going to take us. I'm not going to lie, I am a bit lost. This is what dreams are made of, guys. Only half an hour in and I've already got us a bit lost, but okay. Oh, oh, that caught me really good. That was such a big scene. Yeah, nature is fun, but that wasn't fun. Still moaning about it. And there's more. Careful. You good? Oh, no. Oh. Aye. Nature beat me today. I had a little fall on one of the crossings for the footpaths, as you can see. But yeah, it was all good. Nice day, and back at it tomorrow. It's a very different vibe. Today is a different vibe, but a good vibe. We got excited dogs. Yeah, lots of things to smell and have. So that's yeah. No, but excited. Yeah, excited to have a walk. Better, feeling clear, having some good conversations, and it's just nice to be out and away from technologies. So far so good. And then a half an hour more to go. This is the sort of slope this is 100% the sort of slope I'm gonna slip. Yeah, I'd say it's definitely been my favorite bit of the hour actually. It's just been the last sort of 5 minutes sat here, just looking out over this. So doing something a bit different today. It's day 3 and we're gonna spend our hour along a coastal path. And I think everyone's had the same idea. You can see, hopefully in the background, it's clear blue skies. So 27 degrees is what it's showing at the moment. So it's gonna be hot. And I've made sure to wear my sun cream. And then, yeah, also testing out in public for the first time, doing some filming. So a couple of challenges today, looking forward to it, and hopefully get some good views. So 20 minutes in, and still got a way to go up to the top there in the middle. Just over halfway through the hour, but it's definitely been my favorite of the 3 days, to the point that I got a way to go to where I wanted to hit. I've not quite reached it, but rather than turn back knowing that that'd be the hour, I'm gonna push on to the top. Try and turn so you can see it. But yeah, it's been really nice so far. Hot. I chose the wrong time, but so far so good. There we go. Made it. Made it to the summit. There we go. We made it. Made it to the top. So doing the walk down now. And not gonna lie, it feels a lot easier. I just have really enjoyed it today. It's been really nice to clear my head. No other distractions. Just me, the camera, and an amazing path, incredible views, and definitely do it again. Have a glorious day. Starting by the sea and then heading up towards St. Catherine's Chapel, and here it is. So target today is walking for an hour in nature up to there. This is the starting point. My head feels clear. I'm getting loads of ideas, and actually to be more creative was one of the big things that I wanted to get out of doing this challenge for a week. Looking forward to seeing something different. Hello, cows. So here at the halfway point of our walk today, and made it to the chapel. So you can see, you can get a view inside. And it's, yeah, really quiet. Not many people about here today, and just amazing to see. And I'll show you some of the views now from here.
I feel really proud that I've done it, and I feel energized, and that's what this challenge has been all about. And hopefully, if you can do something similar and this encourages you to get out into nature a little bit more, then great, and hopefully that is what some people will take away from it. It's not always easy, but I've definitely found so far it's having a good impact on my life and how I feel.
So ending where we started, and another really good day, another good hour in nature. Look forward to tomorrow. So starting out today, and I've got a visitor join me for this one. She's showing us the way. So this is where we go our separate ways. They're going off one way, and I'm going to follow the footpath. And like I said, we're going to see where it takes us today. So I found a friend, but he's managed to escape somehow. Hey, buddy. Hey. I've just come to a dead end and realised after looking it up that I am so far off of a public footpath that it's almost laughable. So I'm just having to retrace my steps a little bit just to actually get back onto a proper route to hopefully give me a route back to where I started at least. Oh dear, I've woken the cows. Yeah, probably time to go actually. It just feels for miles and miles like I'm the only one around, which probably is true. And it's just so peaceful, so quiet. It's just amazing. And here we have your very own outdoor bath. How lovely. So just the last little bit of today, gone over the hour again. Today's reason was more just because I was lost, but that was kind of the point. Yeah, got off the path, but then trying to keep calm, stay in the moment, and just eventually managed to find my way back. It was really good, lots of animals today compared to the past few days, and just 2 more to go. So we'll see what those bring, but looking forward to them. Hopefully I found a path which runs through the woods nearby to me and should take about an hour to walk it. I'm looking forward to it. It's already extremely quiet. Met a few people initially, which was really nice, just to have a quick chat, find out if I was doing the right path, and off we go. So far, it's really lovely and quiet. Haven't seen anyone apart from that very beginning of this walk. Just wanting to see how well this tree would camouflage me in the event of a danger. I need... Oh, that put too many times. Bad at it. So we're just getting into the heart of the woods now, which is just still so quiet, so much birdsong, just me. Again, haven't seen anyone the whole time I've been in here so far, and loving it. Yeah, absolutely loving it. This is round 2 of trying to camouflage myself in the woods. So I just found this little shelter, which would be perfect if it was raining, but thankfully it's not today. So just something to admire instead. Yeah, very well built. It's been another day I've absolutely loved. The woods have been so quiet, just able to have some really good space for my head, can think about whatever because there's no distractions at all. And I definitely recommend it if you've got woods near you, or you can think of a woodland area that's accessible to you, then I'd definitely say get out and explore it. So back at the seaside for our final day. Can obviously spend our hour walking a bit and then top it off with a nice swim. So looking forward to it. Here's the rest of the team enjoying the rays. And there we have it, the view from above. So it's time now. Gonna head in for our swim and then come back, get myself a coffee. So going in to see now. Nice day, we'll see how it goes. After 7 days, we're back where we started. And I suppose the question you're wondering is, how did that actually make me feel? And the answer's really easy. This last week, I felt more creative, I felt more present, I felt way less drawn to my devices,
and overall, I feel much happier. I know it's not always easy, but I'd recommend that everyone tries this week to get outside that little bit more than normal and see how it makes you feel. If you do, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. I'm making loads more videos like this to try and help us feel better, so please subscribe and see you next time.